Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to make spinach curry with tender peas and I'm going to top it with a nice onion spice mix. Let's start. I start by blanching my spinach in boiling water. I boiled this water and I added a pinch of baking soda to it. And once it started boiling, I added my spinach. Let it sit in there for a few minutes. And once the spinach looks tender, I will drain it, blend it and keep it aside. Here I have 2 tablespoons of hot oil and a cup of chopped onions. I'll saute these onions till they turn brown, then adding a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything till it gets fragrant. Few more seconds. Next I'm adding a cup of chopped tomatoes and 1/4 cup of cashew yogurt. You can use any plant-based yogurt. Cook it till tomatoes get tender and the mixture is fragrant. I added 1 cup of peas. These were frozen peas. I defrosted them before. A cup of water, and I will cook these peas till they get tender. Here they're coming to a boil. I'm going to cover it and cook them for about 10 minutes. Then I add my ground spices. I have turmeric powder, garam masala, some chili powder, and a tablespoon of kasoori methi, salt to taste, and a little bit of baking soda to maintain the color. Mix everything nicely. I am cooking on medium heat right now. The next step is to add our spinach. I have some more spinach in this container, so I'm going to add some water to it. Good stuff. We don't want to waste it. Now I'm going to mix everything and cook this for a few minutes. Our peas are already tender, so they don't need too much cooking right now. Then I keep this aside, put it in a serving dish, and I'm going to make a tadka or a topping. You can skip it, but if you make it, it just adds so much more flavor to this dish. So about a tablespoon of oil, adding a teaspoon of cumin seeds or zira, couple of chili peppers. You can skip chili peppers. Cook till everything is fragrant. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of chopped onions, and I have 3 cloves of garlic that I chopped fine. Cook this mixture till onions get brown. Takes about a minute or so. And once it looks brown, I'm going to turn heat off and add my garam masala. I have about half a teaspoon of garam masala here. Masala adds so much flavor to this dish. You actually can completely skip this step, but if you do this, it adds so much flavor to the curry. Here I'm going to pour this tadka right over my spinach curry and serve it hot. I hope you try this dish. It's very tasty and very nutritious. Full recipe on my website yogchakra.com.